Snake got a bag. You gotta be careful with it. It's poisonous. Come here. It's poisonous. It's venomous. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. You wanna reach in there and get him out? Reach in there and get him out. Reach in there and get Snake out of the bag. Get Snake out of the bag. Grab him by the head. Grab him by the head. You got him? Okay.
Way, Charlie did it.
Let's use a hook on him. Gotta use a hook on him. Gotta use a snake hook on him. Okay? Gotta use a snake hook on him. Gotta use a snake hook on him. Come here. You ready? Hook him. Put the hook on him. Put the hook.
Go kill him. Beat him with the hook. Just like a little boy.
Put a snake hook on him. How you gonna hook Daddy, huh?
Snake it. He's gonna snake it.
You gonna put the hook on him? Come here.
Say, show me how, Daddy.
Come here. Look. Do this right here. Go. 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 Go like this. Go.
I got a snake.
You got
Cottonmouth.
You got cottonmouth? I hear you, dude.
Cottonmouth.
Here. You put a snake hook on him.
Snake hook.
Well, get him. Get him. He's getting away. You better get him.
What kind of snake is that, Charlie? What kind of snake is that you got there?
What kind of snake you got? What kind of snake is this? What is this? Charlie?
I'm having too much fun with this snake hook.
Snake hook.
Snake hook, yeah, I hear you.
You're supposed to pick snakes up with it.
Snake.
You're supposed to pick a snake up with it. Not throw a snake and then
Careful
hook
with it.
yourself.
Yeah, be careful with the hook.
Hooks
Come
can
here.
be dangerous if you're a little kid.
Come here.
Hook snake. Come here. You snake hook. Hook snake. Hook snake. Hook snake. You gonna hook snake?
He keeps trying to beat the snake.
You gonna hook that snake or not?
You can't beat the snake, Charlie.
Is this a cottonmouth? Is that a cottonmouth?
Right now.
What is that?
Wait, that snake. And that chink. Left chink. Why is it chink? Left shot. The little.
Yeah.
You teaching Daddy about snakes. Teach Daddy about snakes, Charlie.
No, I know snake.
Yeah, be careful with him. He gonna bite you. Ah.
I'm gonna bite you.
Gonna bite you. Redneck baby.
Red one.
You redneck baby, you.
Red one.
What?
Red one.
See a better one.
But.
You're gonna poke his eye out,
Be
Daddy.
careful. Be careful. Gotta be careful. Look. 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 Look.
You
Look how Daddy
mockingbird.
do. Look how Daddy's doing. See what Daddy's doing? Can you do that? Can you do that?
I intend to go to come out.
The snake's gonna go to timeout. Did he do something wrong? He's giving the snake timeout, folks.
Okay, he's been watching Nanny 911 with Mommy because he don't go to timeout. So he got that from Nanny 911. It goes to show when he's playing, he pays attention to what's on TV.
What kind of snake is this? Say cottonmouth?
He's gonna poke his eye out. That
Say
scares me.
cottonmouth? I got him.
Mommy's a worrywart.
Say cottonmouth?
Sit and look at it.
Sit down and
Sit
look
down
at
and
it.
look at it? Okay, we'll sit down and look at it. Come here. No! Daddy's getting up. Come here. Sit down and look at it.
Sit and look at it.
Sit down and look at it, yeah.
And say snake. Keep the snake.
Hook the snake? Okay.
Good snake.
Well, you be careful with that hook, Buster.
Let's hook.
Look, he did it, Daddy.
Hope the snake bag's clean.
He did it. He hooked it.
You hook it?
You missed it, but I got it on video.
You got it. He's hooked. Get him. Hook him.